Hello everyone, welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to create a new BoldSign account quickly and securely using your Apple ID. This gives Apple users a secure and familiar way to access BoldSign without needing a new password or a separate login. Some users prefer using their Apple ID to sign into apps they trust. Because Apple provides strong security, easy authentication, and built-in privacy controls. However, when an eSignature application does not support Apple Sign-In, these users are required to create a separate account. This adds unnecessary steps and effort. They have to remember another password, manage another email, and repeat sign-up steps that feel unnecessary, especially when they already trust Apple's secure login system. BoldSign solves this by providing the Sign Up with Apple option. This lets users create a BoldSign account directly using their Apple ID. No new password and no extra email. All the familiar Apple verification messages and security prompts appear, just as they would in any trusted Apple application. And once the account is created, all eSignature notifications are sent to the user's Apple ID email, keeping everything unified, secure, and easy to manage. Open the BoldSign sign-up page from the BoldSign website, then select the Sign Up with Apple option. You are redirected to the Apple Sign-In page, where you can enter the email or phone number associated with your Apple ID. In this example, I enter my Apple ID email and select Continue. Then enter the password and continue by entering the verification code sent to the phone number linked to your Apple account. When Trust is selected, you will not be asked for a verification code the next time you sign in. If Do Not Trust is selected, a verification code will be required each time. Selecting Not Now means you'll be asked later to choose between the two trust options. Since I trust this browser, I select Trust. Once verified, you'll reach the consent screen. Here, you can edit your first name and last name if needed by clicking the Edit button. Proceed to choose whether to share or hide your email. Selecting Share My Email allows BoldSign to create the account using your actual Apple ID email, ensuring eSignature notifications are received directly. Selecting Hide My Email generates a private relay address instead. Emails sent to that address must be forwarded to your Apple ID inbox to receive updates about your eSignature requests. The recipients you interact with will see the relay address, not your actual Apple ID email. Since transparency is important, I select Share My Email and then select Continue. You are then taken to the Stay Signed In page, where you can choose to remain signed in for 30 days. Select Yes, Keep Me Signed In. Next, the basic information page appears. Fill in any required details such as first name, last name, company name, and optionally phone number. You are navigated to the BoldSign application dashboard. Your BoldSign account has now been successfully created using your Apple ID. You can immediately begin sending and receiving eSignature requests. And that's how Apple Sign-In works in BoldSign. By allowing users to register with their Apple ID, BoldSign delivers a secure, seamless, and privacy-focused onboarding experience without the need for extra emails or new passwords. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like and subscribe for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorials.